What's up, YouTube? It's Melodize. I was coming to you guys with another tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be featuring a few of the things that I picked up with the Riveting collection, and also MAC VIVA GLAM. I got the Lady Gaga, which is so pretty to me. I really like the color. It's this really pale, pretty, like almost a Barbie baby pink. Real pretty. And I also got full fuchsia, which is in the Riveting collection. And I didn't bring the other with me, as I actually used as a shadow. Ah, beautiful. It works beautifully. Don't use this as a shadow if your eyes or your skin is very sensitive. My skin is tough as nails, so I went ahead and used it. I never have a problem using blushes on my eyelids, but yeah, I don't want nobody saying I told you to put it on and then you be broke out. Yeah, but oh gosh, my new favorite brush, the 130. I think, ain't it the 130? Yeah. Oh my god, this was like also my favorite stippling brush, but now it's this. It's shorter bristles, which gives you a little bit more control, and it also gives you a little bit more coverage. So that's what I used today. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this tutorial, stay tuned. So I started off with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I'm just going to blend that in. Next, I'm using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Then I'm going to take a flat brush, shadow brush, and apply a white matte color into my inner crease. And this is Just So by MAC. Then I'm going to go in with Yogurt by MAC, which is a very light matte pink. Real pretty color. After that, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite brushes, my little paw brush by MAC. And I'm going to go in with full fuchsia blush. And I'm going to pat that right above my crease and bring that in onto my inner crease. Kind of like in a little half moon. Upside down half moon. Then I'm going to go in with a very, with Vibrant Grape in a pencil brush. And Vibrant Grape came out in that last collection I was telling y'all about. It's a pro color, and they just incorporated it into the regular colors. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush by MAC and just blend those colors at the top. Then I'm going to go in with the pretty pink Sushi Flower. And I'm just going to go right in between the Yogurt and Vibrant Grape and blend those colors in. Those colors together. I'm going to go right back in and blend out. And I took, y'all didn't see it, but I took a little Just So, the white matte color, and just blended out the top. Yeah, and there you go. Now I'm going to go in with my blush after I apply my foundation. I'm going to take a fluffy face brush and just smiling on the apples of my cheek. I'm going to apply the full fuchsia. This color is so pretty, y'all. Now, if you're going to do a very bold eye, you don't want to have a very loud blush as well. So I'm going to buff out this color with my Vibrant Grape from the Spring Color Collection. And I'm taking the very lightest color, the top color, and I'm going to put that right on top of the full fuchsia, just so that it can tone down that color just a little bit, so it won't be bam all up in your face. And always smile when you're applying your brush. This allows you to put it right where it needs to be. Now I'm going to go in with Soar pencil on my lip, and my fave color now, Lady Gaga. The thing I like about Lady Gaga is you can put in Magneto pencil or even a deep purple. You can really change up this lip color a lot. It's just really pretty to do with a lot of looks. So you guys, there you go. So this is my finished look, guys. Little pink Barbie look. I like. Y'all like? Me like. I added some lashes. Get a little closer so y'all can see my drag lashes. I love these lashes. They are number 005. I got them at my beauty supply. So if y'all ever, you know, see the little lashes that come like this, yeah, no name, just numbers. Yeah, so this is the look. I hope you guys like using my full fuchsia and Lady Gaga. Yeah, almost forgot there. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and please do leave your request. Okay, talk to you guys later.